Okay, what's going on, y'all? So I told you I had a video coming about what I consume every morning. Hopefully this video can help you out. It can inspire you to be more mindful about what you put into your body first thing in the morning after you done broke your fast after sleeping for several hours. And just give you some ideas of what you could possibly do to start your day off, to make sure you got some good energy, got the good vitamins and minerals that we sometimes neglect in our diet. So let's go ahead and start with what I put inside of my smoothies every morning. Okay, so sea moss. Sea moss basically is really good with boosting your immune system. It's really good for your joints, knees, elbows, shoulders, and so on. And it's really good for skin health as well, okay? Just to go ahead and shout out the Sea Moss Goddess. That's who I typically get my sea moss from. So if you're in the Atlanta area, definitely check her out. You can just Google her name, Sea Moss Goddess, okay? Or even Silverback. My boy Silverback, he also has sea moss available as well. Second one is kale. I really love kale. I can eat kale raw or whatever. I don't gotta cook it, none of that. I can just eat kale straight off of the refrigerator in the grocery store if I wanted to. But it's really filled with a lot of nutrients and minerals, again, that we neglect in our diet. So for example, it's packed with vitamin A, K, C, B6. It's good with calcium. It has a lot of copper, potassium, and magnesium in it as well. And as I keep on telling other things I put in my diet, you will understand the benefits of those different nutrients and minerals, okay? Thirdly, I put carrots in my smoothies. So smoothies are really good for hair. It provides the vitamins that are needed for your hair. It's really good for your skin as well. Protects your skin from the sun. And it's filled with vitamin A that can prevent that oily look that you have on your skin. If my skin look a little oily right now, don't judge me because I got done working out. But we're gonna move to the next one, strawberries. Strawberries can help lower your blood pressure. It's really good with antioxidants that can fight against cancer and diabetes, okay? Blueberries. Now blueberries is really known for that antioxidant fruit, just antioxidant food in general. It definitely can help boost your memory. It does have the antioxidants that can protect from free radicals that can damage your cells, and it also reduce DNA damage that can cause, so basically when you have DNA damage, that's what typically causes cancer. So if it protects you from the DNA damage, then you know it's aiding with preventing cancer and so on, okay? Let's go ahead and move forward to blackberries. Blackberries are packed with vitamin C and helps with collagen formation in bones, connective tissue, and blood vessels as well. I just really like the taste of blackberries. I don't typically eat blackberries for the benefits, but I mean, hey, the benefits are there. So, bananas, I love bananas. Like, I love bananas. Man, it's crazy. But anyway, so bananas are really great for energy. As everybody know, or even heard before, bananas are great for cramps. Well, preventing cramps, I should say. You can't just eat a banana and all of a sudden your cramp will go away. But it can help prevent cramps because of the potassium that is in the bananas. It also helps with your nervous system. Bananas are also high in B6 that can help maintain a healthy nervous system. It also helps produce red blood cells and metabolize carbs and fat into energy. So with that being said, when you metabolize your carbs and fat into energy, what's gonna happen? You're gonna go ahead and shrink up, all right? Not shrink up, but you're gonna lose fat, all right? Now, the things I put into my smoothies, more so for texture and taste, is honey and almond milk. Again, like I was saying about blackberries, with honey, I didn't necessarily think of the benefits, but it was obvious that honey is more natural than white sugar, of course. But then I ended up finding out that there are antioxidants that are beneficial for the heart system or overall your heart health. And it can also soothe sore throats. I remember being a kid, my mom would sometimes tell me, like, you know, go ahead and take a little spoonful of honey anytime I was sick. And it does help. What's the science behind it? I don't know. I haven't done research on it, but I just know it worked. All right. Almond milk. Only benefit I'm gonna give for that one is dairy free. Stop drinking milk. Stop drinking milk. Like I went 2 years with no dairy. I eat cheese every now and then. I'm working on moving away from the cheese, but milk, stop the milk. Stop the milk. Go ahead and move on to the almond milk. So yeah, that's basically what I consume every morning, and I feel great. I feel great after every morning. I feel like I have energy. I might even work out first, and then when I come in, take that in as like my first meal, basically. So yeah, I appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe.